Assalamualaikum guys! So today I will share with you all recipe of meat tomato pasta. First boil water and then add in it pasta. Here I added two different kind of pasta. Boil it in salt water until it becomes soft. Pasta is a type of food typically made from an unleavened dough of wheat flour mixed with water or eggs and formed into sheets or other shapes, then cooked by boiling or baking. So coming back to the recipe, I have taken 250 grams of minced meat. Marinated it with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and half teaspoon of spice blend that is cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves mixture. Now mix all the ingredients well. Now add 1 big tablespoon of oil in it. Cook it for about 10 minutes. Now add 1 glass of water and cook it for another 20 minutes until the minced meat gets soft. Cover it with the lid and let it cook. Now in separate pan heat oil and add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. In between, check the pasta if done, then drain water and keep the pasta aside. Now here, same time minced meat that is keema is well cooked, so let's off the knob. Coming back to the cumin seeds fry until the color changes. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook it for a minute. On other side, cut the tomatoes and make puree in the blender, then add the tomato puree in this heated oil with cumin seeds and ginger garlic paste. And stir it for 2 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir it until the tomato puree color changes to dark red. Add 1 tablespoon of salt in it and cook it for about 10 minutes. Once the tomato puree changes color, close the knob and keep this tomato puree aside. Now once everything is cooked, let's start shifting the pasta in a good serving dish. Now add the cooked tomato puree on the pasta. Then add the keema, that is the cooked minced meat on it. Now again on the top, add more pasta and cover the top layer completely filled with pasta, then finally start mixing it this way. Pasta was originally only made with durum, although the definition has been expanded to include alternatives for a gluten-free diet, such as rice flour or legumes such as beans or lentils. Pasta is believed to have developed independently in Italy and is a staple food of Italian cuisine, with evidence of making pasta as early as 400 BCE in Italy. Pastas are divided into 2 broad categories: dried, Italian, pasta secca, and fresh, Italian, pasta fresca. Most dried pasta is produced commercially via an extrusion process, although it can be produced at home. So guys, try this meat tomato pasta and do comment below. And if you like, don't forget to press the bell icon to get more updates. Assalamu alaikum.